Incandescent or halogen stage lights produce just one color. The only way to create more is to shine the light beam through colored plastic called gel filters. However, this LED stage light uses 7 different colored LEDs, which can be blended into a variety of different hues. This computer-guided machine places all the components on the stage light circuit board, which contains 60 LEDs in 7 different base colors. Another machine measures and cuts pieces of insulated electrical wire. Then, the machine strips the insulation off the ends and crimps on terminals. Workers manually assemble 10 wires and 2 connectors into a control harness. On the factory floor, they paint the stage light's 2-part cast aluminum housing. The paint process is electrostatic. This means the housing and the black powder paint are laced with opposing electrical charges. Back in the assembly area, workers install the stage light's electronic components, starting with the LCD screen. After covering the screen with a protective plastic shield, they install the control panel. This plastic cover protects the LCD. It also directs outside air into the housing to the light's cooling fan. This block of aluminum, called the heat sink, absorbs and quickly dissipates some of that heat. They mount the LED array on top of this 2-fold cooling system. Then they install the optic assembly. This plastic component focuses the individual LEDs. They construct the stage light's mixing tube, lining its interior with adhesive-backed aluminum mirrors. The mirrors mix the 7 LED colors into a single color. The assemblers now join the 2 halves of the mixing tube, adding a glass lens on the front. The lens focuses the light produced by the 60 LEDs into a single beam. Then they install the tube over the optic. Next, they mount the control card to the side of the mixing tube. After installing the main power supply, they plug a DMX cable into the control card. This stage light is now finished and ready for a thorough quality control check. They plug it into a testing machine, which powers it up and verifies several functions. The machine also calibrates every color to ensure consistency in every stage light they manufacture. Then they run the stage light at full power for 3 hours non-stop to simulate strenuous operating conditions. Once the light passes these tests, it's ready for its stage debut.